Very good, very good, very nice club. The sound is incredible. I noticed that right away, and it's like past 12 and there's already so many people. So
Wicked DJs is a combination of, let me say, visual artists, DJs that have a lot of energy in the style of playing, crossover between commercial music, trance music, tech house. And also we are using an MC. I think Magazine is the best club to do that and to try that.